IGCSE Computer Science Syllabus Statement 1.3.3e described the principles of operation of digital cameras and described how they are applied to real-life scenarios. So sorry about the huge gap between now and last week, because I didn't get much uploaded. It's because I had some exams which I had to get through, so yeah, let's get back on track. So digital cameras are pretty easy because most people have them, and it's, if you don't know what it is, a digital camera is a camera which can produce digital images that can be stored in a computer. So it could look something like this, but also if you have a phone or tablet or computer, those are examples of digital cameras as well. Because back in the day, cameras used film to record photos. So the photographer wasn't able to see what they have taken a picture of before it was developed. And this made their use quite expensive, as unwanted photos couldn't be deleted. So like, if you took an embarrassing picture of yourself in the shower, well, you just wasted some film. But nowadays, digital cameras have taken over. People can not only delete their photos now, but they can also transfer their photos to their devices using a USB cable or Bluetooth. So a digital camera is controlled by a microprocessor, which can automatically focus on images, automatically operate the flash, adjust the shutter speed, adjust the aperture size, adjust the size of the image, and remove red eye. So you may notice these features on your phone. It's like digital cameras can do these things, which can pretty much, well, I mean, really help, because you know, back in the day, you couldn't really remove red eye that easily. So a photograph is captured when light passes through the lens onto a light-sensitive cell. This cell is made of pixels. The number of pixels determines the file size used to store the image. Did we actually go through files? Yeah, I think we did. Back when we were looking at the third subtopic of topic 1. But by reducing the resolution, the storage requirement is reduced. The quality of the photograph depends on factors such as lighting and the type of lens used.